It's been a while, everybody, but here goes. Hi, everyone. Your creative educator here, and welcome to Sparks the Flames Education, where you get great science, math, and reading content and really fun and creative ways of inspiring learning. Remember to subscribe, hit the notification so that you can see our new videos on Mondays. Like and share, and yes, subscribe now. In this video, we'll show you our scraps garden, and our scraps garden is literally that, just scraps, stuff from the kitchen that we just throw in the garden and watch them grow. So today you'll see some of the results of some of the things that we threw in the garden that's just been growing.
Some of that looks like tweezers, please.
Okay, people, so this is literally the scraps garden. So I just throw scraps out here, and we got this from the scraps. Let me show you what else I have.
They have the pumpkin.
Yeah, we have a whole bunch of pumpkin. We have the pineapples. Then we have this little guy over here. All from scraps. Then we have these guys. These are some carrots, some carrots that we just threw in the garden. So you can see the carrot greens. And of course you can see the watercress that's just growing all over. You think so?
See?
No. That I grow one different potato root. See, that's a different potato root.
No.
Can I go back dinner now? It's almost ready to pick, people. Can you see the leaves are yellow? But I put out some new leaves so it'll grow a little bit. We're almost ready. Nice, see that?
That's how
One
deep
nice
it was.
long one.
That's how
It
deep
got
it
deep
was.
for you. Alright, potato fries later. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, go outside, plant a garden of your own using scraps from the kitchen, and watch them grow. See you next week, Monday.